I know you are all eagerly waiting to speak in French. So, shall we begin by learning to present ourselves? In French, we say présentez-vous. It means present yourself. So, what would you begin with when you are presenting yourself? You would begin with your name. And you already know to say your name. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle, and you would say your name. So, this is the first sentence when you present yourself. Je m'appelle. The next one, you would say your age. And I already taught you the expression for saying your age. J'ai, your age, ans. So, let us say you're all students. So, approximately, let me say 15. So, j'ai 15 ans. J'ai 15 ans. See the pronunciation? It is j'ai 15 ans. Next. What would you say about yourself? You would say you are a student. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. What else can you say about yourself? You can say your nationality. Je suis indien. So this means I am an Indian. Je suis indien. Then you can say the place where you live. For example, if you live in Chennai, we'll say you have already learned the verb habiter. Do you remember? Yes, it is an ER verb. Habiter means to live. So, j'habite. J'habite à Chennai. This means at or in. We will be learning the prepositions later. So, now we have learned 5 sentences. So, this is how you present yourself. This is a simple version. We will be developing on it as we learn and develop a vocabulary. So, je m'appelle. So, my name is. J'ai 15 ans. I am 15 years old. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Je suis indien. I am Indian. J'habite à Chennai. I live in Chennai. So, you can also write more sentences from what you have learned. So, shall we say these sentences all together once again? Je m'appelle, your name. J'ai 15 ans, or whatever is your age. Je suis étudiant. Je suis indien. J'habite à Chennai. So, does it feel like speaking French? So, let us develop upon it as we learn more and more words and develop our vocabulary.